Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find your wallet address in Valora wallet app. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open the Valora application on your device and you will typically land on the home screen once you open up the app. From the home screen, click on the Receive button at the top of the screen. Your wallet address will be displayed along with a QR code for easy sharing. You can tap the Copy Address button at the bottom to copy the wallet address to your clipboard. Alternatively, you can also share your wallet address directly through other apps by tapping on the share icon at the top right corner. Now choose one of the recipient or any social messaging application and choose the contact that you want to share your wallet address with. So that is how you easily find wallet address to receive funds in your Valora wallet. That's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming updates from us. I will be back again with more helpful videos. Goodbye till then.